So, if you've seen the title, yeah, you read it right. I crashed. So it happened about 3 months back, and I thought I should make a video about it. Talking about what went wrong, what I should have done better, what was my fault, and all that stuff. So it was Feb 7th, 26, 3 months and I guess 20 days from today. I was going from I was going from Bangalore to Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi, and there was a bus coming this way towards the left. I was trying to overtake from the right. My rear wheel slipped and I fell into the ditch like this. It was a small ditch. You can't call it a ditch as such, but then I'm in neutral. Okay. So the bike fell on my foot, and I had 4 bones fractured. So what do you learn from that? You shouldn't be doing stupid things, especially when you're going out alone. I had my gloves, I had my jacket, I had all those stuff, but I didn't get boots. This is my third pair of gloves. I had another pair of gloves, but then I decided to buy a third pair instead of investing in completing the set. So that's it. Other than that, yeah, I was lucky enough to have people take care of me for these 3 months, my family, and the people at work were pretty supportive. They let me work from home, and health insurance came in clutch because it has been about only 3-4 months, no, 6 months since I joined by the time I crashed, and they cut a premium for I guess maybe 3 or 4 of those months, but still I about 70 to 80% of the expenses were covered, which is a very good thing. So where am I going now? I am going to get breakfast. And at the same time, I just wanted to wear my gloves. It has been 3 months. I really love these gloves. It feels like, your girlfriend is holding your hand. Feels pretty nice. Uh, yeah. And your wrists stop looking, like a 13-year-old girl because, a part of it covers your wrist. So, you can't tell how uncomfortably thin the wrists are. Yeah. So I don't know. It might sound very stupid or, but I'm going to Rameshwaram Cafe mainly because the last vlog I wanted to be on the channel was going to Rameshwaram, but since that didn't happen, maybe the name is pretty symbolic to get back on the journey. When I crashed, I had around 75 or 76 subscribers, and the number's 86 now. So trying to build a biking channel without a bike for 3 months, and people have been supportive. I am really grateful to all the 87 subscribers which I have right now. But the ones who have subscribed, from 75 to 87 during these 3 months, you guys have a special place in my heart. I may not know you and all that, but still. So if you want, to watch, if you like stuff like this, consider subscribing. And yeah, I got a new helmet because I lost my Axor in the crash. I didn't lose it in the crash as such. You can't call it you can't call me losing it in the crash. I just forgot to pick it up from the ambulance. And I was pretty worried about what's gonna happen and all that stuff. So I was not in a mindset to, gather the helmet. There are a lot of things I picked up, but my helmet is not one of it. I also think I forgot the route to this place and came on this way. I think I'm supposed to take a U-turn there, but I am not sure. We'll have to see. So I'll make a video about my new helmet. I got the NHK K5R. The bike needs some work done. The chain I think needs to be replaced or maybe at least cleaned once. And that blinker, if you can see, the front cap is gone and even the blinker is gone. So that needs to be fixed. And I don't know, maybe I should clean it up a bit, get a PPF maybe because the tank seems to have gotten all scratched up already. So we need to see what to do. I also got a new pair of gloves because I am financially the stupidest person you can ever see. And I just love buying gloves. No, I didn't miss the route. I came in the right way. And I don't know where to park. Okay. I'll just park somewhere here. I fractured a few bones in my foot. And the doctor told me it's okay to drive and walk a bit. कहाँ पे पार्क करना? वहाँ पे पार्क करो. ठीक है. So yeah, I not too comfortable walking because I mean I can walk. I am walking. I should be walking, but I am slow as fuck compared to what I was, how I was walking previously. I don't know where to park. कहाँ पे park करूँ भैया? I might have to park it on the road, and I am not very happy about it. Great. Okay, I'm not sure where to park, so maybe I'll have breakfast somewhere else because I'm too lazy to park it up and all. And this is the kind of shit I shouldn't be doing. So yeah, it was like this. I tried to cut from here, which I am really tempted to do right now, but no. I don't know where to have breakfast now. Maybe I'll just have an ice cream or a waffle. If you go straight and take a right, there is an ice cream place. I might just go have ice cream there. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay with me if you really like the type of content I put out. Check out the channel. I was talking about the gloves. Yeah, I got the Royal Enfield MX Pro, which is one of the best gloves you can get if you're in a budget of between 3 to 5,000. Because especially for the city, they're technically off-road gloves, but they have a palm slider, and they are CE certified to level 1 with knuckle protection. Plus, they are pretty comfortable in the city also. I should be having breakfast, but I don't think I'm in a mood to. Also, I am recording from 3 streams. The GoPro is recording with its default mic, and there is a headphone in my ear which also has a mic which is recording in this phone, and there is a mic I put in my helmet which I'm not sure if it will capture the best of quality. But yeah, that's it for now. I need to fuel up. I need to get the bike serviced. Also, we are close to 15K, and yeah.